Welcome to a day in the life of a study abroad student in Chiang Mai, Thailand. I start off my day with some stretches. I brush my teeth, I put on my school uniform, and it's pretty crazy because I never had to wear a school uniform growing up, but now in college it's my first time ever wearing a school uniform, and I actually enjoy it because it makes it super convenient. Then I don't have to pick out any outfit to wear. I just put on my outfit, put on my backpack, and I go. Now my friends and I are off to class, so it takes about like a 20-minute walk from our dorm to the education building. I actually really enjoy it because it's a nice little walk and it's a nice way to get my day started. I really love how my professor Ajang she always brings us desserts every Wednesday. She's so adorable and she makes learning Thai so fun. Okay, isn't our campus so pretty? It sort of looks like Edward Scissorhands was here, not gonna lie. The national animal and our school mascot is the elephant, so it's really common to see elephant statues everywhere. Now we're eating at one of the main canteens. A meal like this with meat, rice, and curry is only about 40 baht, which is like just over $1. Then I came here to this reservoir on campus to meditate for a little bit since I had some time in between classes. Next we took the shuttle to our next class, which is called Highland Ethnic Peoples and Social Transformation of Northern Thailand. I really love that class because I get to learn more about my own Hmong identity and about other ethnic groups in Thailand. As someone who's interested in fighting for justice, it's really fascinating for me to learn about how these groups are fighting for land rights, indigenous recognition, and for citizenship. Then I went to this really cute cafe called Taste Cafe to get some homework done. My grandparents are in town actually, so we went out to dinner together, and I love that Thailand has such huge menus. Like, look at all these options. We had lots of different things like tom kha gai, crab, shrimp, and stir-fry noodles. Oh, and this delicious baked fish. I ended off my night with doing some laundry. Hope you enjoyed watching this day in the life video.